Literally, this Food Panda clone app has been created with Google AI Studio free of cost, and this Uber Drive clone also created with Google AI Studio free of cost. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional mobile apps or Android apps using Google AI Studio for you, and as well as I will let you know how you can install these on your mobile to see the live preview of these apps. So keep watching this video and please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much. As the very first step, you need to go here astudio.google.com, and here you need to sign in with your Google account. So simply with your Gmail account you can sign up, and here in the left sidebar you can see there is the my apps, and here is the option for new apps. You just need to click here. So I already selected build and Android app, so I just cut this. Here you can select build Android app, so I just select this one, and here you just need to describe the app. So I just simply describe our app functionality. You just need to describe your app functionality in the detail. I just giving a simple prompt because I am creating a video, but if you want to create a custom app for you, you just need to describe a fully functionality of the app here. So now if you want to create another app, so I just say create a complete clone of. So I just say create a food panda clone. So here I just say including real-time tracking and so on. So I just say click on tab, and then this will give you the suggestions here. So I just click on tab and then click on space. So then it will give you again suggestions. I just again click on tab, and again it will give you the suggestions, and again I click on tab and then press space and click on tab. So anytime you press space, is give you the suggestions that it can be added into this prompt. So I hope you understand. So you can also improve your prompt by clicking on tab and backspace. So here I just click on build this app. So it will also create an amazing app that can be usable as the food panda clone. Now it's building. You can see it's in the building stage. So it's giving you a preview of the design. This design you need, or you can skip to automatically design any design it likes. So I just skip that. You can also select the design that is in the preview. So it will select automatically a good design for you, and then start creating the app for you. Now our app is ready. If you go here and click on inside this preview, you can see no post order yet because we have not added any orders. And here if you click on profile, here you can see this is the profile, simple phone number. And if you go back, and here is the partner, for example here, so there is no partner records yet. And if you click on notification, here is the notification I have. I just close that, and this is how you can create the apps. Okay, now if you want to install this app on your mobile phone, this is very simple. So here if you click on install on the right sidebar, and here is the instructions that you need to follow. So let me follow these instructions. As is showing here, we need to enable developer option in our settings. So you just need to go here in the settings of your mobile. So I just open the settings, and then you just need to go here in the about phone. I just click on about phone and scroll down to the build number. Sometime you need to click on serial number, sometime you need to click on anything. So here is the build number. So here I just need to click on 5 times. So here is saying no need, you already a developer. So if you are not developer, you just need to click on 7 times on the build number. After clicking that, you just need to go back, and here if you see here USB debugging here, and in the USB debugging you can see debugging is on. So you must your USB debugging turn on. Okay, then you just need to go back in your mobile phone and see the laptop screen and attach your USB cable with your mobile and the PC. So now I'm going to connect our mobile phone with my PC. Now I have connected my cable with my phone and with my PC. So now I simply click on install via USB and it's connecting to my mobile, and then it will install the app on my mobile phone. Now it has been installed on my mobile. So if I can show you my mobile screen, it's also open. You can see on my mobile screen is open. If you click on orders here, no orders, I go back and click on profile. You can see this is profile, this is phone number. Go back, and here if you click on partner, you can see there is no record for the partner. And here if you click on notification, there is notification. So you can also make more functionalities updates here. You can create dashboard where you can manage these things, and you can create the users. Anything that you want to create, you can create or make changes, or you can add more features here. So here you can see on mobile screen it's also opened. You can see on my mobile screen is open. If you click on orders here, no orders, I go back and click on profile. You can see this is profile, this is phone number. Go back, and here if you click on partner, you can see there is no record for the partner. And here if you click on notification, there is notification. So you can also make more functionalities updates here. You can create dashboard where you can manage these things, and you can create the users. Anything that you want to create, you can create or make changes, or you can add more features here. So I just go back here, and here this is how you can create the fully functional mobile apps using Android Studio and Google AI Studio, and also install on your mobile within few clicks. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you need any kind of custom mobile apps or POS or any dashboard or any system or any software for you or your company, you can comment below and contact us. Our team will contact you and give you the best prices. Thank you so much.